This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Swing up the headlight housing retaining rod and slide it out. Pull the housing forward and rotate it down to access the bulbs. The outer bulb is the low beam bulb, and the inner bulb is the high beam. Turn the headlight bulbs counterclockwise and withdraw the bulbs from the housing. Disconnect the electrical connector of the bulb or bulbs being replaced. The bulb is integrated in the bulb holder as one piece. Making sure to avoid touching the bulb surface with your fingers, install the new headlight bulb or bulbs into the housing. Align the lugs when inserting, then twist the bulb clockwise to secure it. Connect the bulb electrical connectors. Install the headlight housing back into the body. Align the lower mounting tab first, then align the upper holes. Insert the retaining rod, then rotate the rod to lock it in place.